Decoding Science, Mastering ACT Research Summaries. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into one of the essential parts of the ACT Science Reasoning section, Research Summaries passages. If you've ever felt daunted by scientific jargon or wondered how to tackle questions based on these summaries, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Research summaries in the ACT present descriptions of one or more related experiments. They examine the methods and findings of scientific research. Your task? Interpret the data, understand the experiments, and answer the questions. Sounds straightforward, right? But to excel, you need a strategic approach. When you encounter a research summary, 1. Identify the purpose. Every experiment has a purpose. Was the study trying to test a hypothesis? Understand a phenomenon? 2. Spot the variables. In scientific experiments, there's usually an independent variable, what's being changed, and a dependent variable, what's being measured. 3. Distinguish between experiments. If there are multiple experiments, make sure you can differentiate their main features. To master this section, employ these strategies. 1. Skim the passage first. Before diving into questions, get a general sense of the passage. Don't spend too much time on details initially. 2. Go to the graphs and tables. Many questions can be answered just by looking at the graphical data. Ensure you understand axes, labels, and trends. 3. Tackle questions systematically. Read each question carefully. If a question refers to a specific part of the passage, go back and read that portion in detail. 4. Eliminate clearly wrong answers. Often, one or two options can be quickly ruled out. This narrows down your choices and boosts your chances of getting the answer right. Here are some common mistakes students make. 1. Overthinking simple questions. Sometimes, the answer is right in front of you. Don't overcomplicate. 2. Misinterpreting graphs. Ensure you understand what each graph, table is representing. Confusing an independent variable with a dependent one can lead to wrong answers. 3. Time management. It's easy to spend too much time on one tricky question. If you're stuck, move on and come back if time allows. Mastering the research summaries in the ACT Science section is a skill, and like all skills, it improves with practice. Remember these strategies and always approach each passage systematically. We hope this video has shed light on this topic, and we're confident you'll tackle those ACT questions with newfound clarity. Best of luck, and happy studying!